some breaking inputs coming in, and it's not a good news from the market. Bloodbath on Dalal Street. As far as the markets are concerned, the Sensex is down almost 1,700 points. So the impact perhaps of the volatile situation globally showing on the markets. Sensex is down almost 1,700 points. We'll also try and go across to my colleague Hina to get you more details on what's transpiring and if this is going to continue. Now remember, there's a conflict which is happening in the Middle East. That situation is only escalating and it definitely is spreading beyond Middle East. There are other factors as well, but it looks like Middle East, the issue of Middle East and the conflict there is dominating the scene. Hina joins us on the broadcast with more details. Hina, is this all because of the turmoil that we are witnessing in Middle East?
Well, absolutely. That's the only reason, Swati. And what we are witnessing right now is bloodbath. I mean, that is the word that is to be used for how the markets have opened this morning. In fact, markets opened, Sensex specifically opened with a cut of about 1,600 odd points. And right now, as we are speaking, let's tell our viewers where the markets are. Sensex is down almost 3%. 2,334 points down is where Sensex is right now. It has breached the 77,000 mark also. It's currently trading at 76,584. If you look at Nifty right now, Nifty is also down about 2.78%. It has fallen below 24,000 mark. 694 points cut is what we are witnessing. Now, the biggest reason is the oil disruption that we are seeing as far as the Strait of Hormuz is concerned, and the Middle Eastern crisis, where we do not know when it is going to really end. And if you look at the commentary that has been coming from Donald Trump, that's really adding fuel to the fire that we are witnessing. I'm saying it because Donald Trump, on falling oil prices, has said that it's a small price that one is paying for peace. I mean, he's saying that, but importers, oil importers like India, other Asian countries like South Korea, Japan, etc., who rely very heavily on the Middle East for oil, I mean, their economies are going to get severely impacted, and that's the reason why you are seeing this kind of a shock and sell-off on Dalal Street today. It's it's a sea of red all across, and the only reason is Middle Eastern war. And because of that, the oil prices have surged past $100 per barrel. This has happened for the first time since 2022. So imagine when Russia-Ukraine invasion happened, that time oil had risen above $100 per barrel. And now in 2026, because of this Middle Eastern crisis, we are seeing oil surging past $100 per barrel, which is a bad news for oil importing countries. And that's something that you're witnessing right now on the stock market. Indian stock market seeing deep cuts.
Absolutely.
Earlier we've seen Japan's Nikkei also down, South Korea's Kospi also seeing deep cuts, major sell-off happening in Asian markets.
Right. So amid uncertainty, Hina, it's difficult then to say when can one expect the market to stabilize, because the conflict only seems to be escalating. Thank you very much, Hina, for getting us the details. We'll try and connect with you again as and when we keep getting updates from the market. For the moment, we're taking a very short break.